Ever wondered why Japan experiences so many earthquakes? Let's unravel this mystery together. Japan, a picturesque country, is unfortunately also a hotspot for seismic activity. This seismic activity is primarily due to the Earth's tectonic plates. Imagine these plates as giant puzzle pieces that make up the Earth's crust. They're constantly moving, albeit very slowly, and when they collide or slide against each other, the energy released causes earthquakes. Now, what makes Japan unique is its geographical position. It sits at the convergence of not one, not two, but four major tectonic plates: the Pacific, Philippine, Eurasian, and North American plates. Each of these plates is constantly shifting, causing a considerable amount of strain to be released in the form of earthquakes. So, the intersection of these four major tectonic plates is the primary reason why Japan experiences frequent earthquakes. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does this convergence of tectonic plates mean? Well, let's dive into it. Earth's crust is composed of numerous tectonic plates. Think of them as giant puzzle pieces. These plates are constantly shifting, albeit very slowly, due to the intense heat and pressure from the Earth's core. Japan sits on an especially active region where four of these plates meet: the Pacific, Philippine, Eurasian, and North American plates. The Pacific and Philippine plates, they're subducting or moving under the Eurasian and North American plates. This subduction creates a lot of tension as one plate is forced beneath another. Meanwhile, the Eurasian and North American plates are sliding past each other laterally, causing additional tension. Eventually, all this tension has to go somewhere, and it's released in the form of seismic waves, which we experience as earthquakes. So, the movement and interaction of these plates create the seismic energy that results in earthquakes. But there's more to the story. Have you heard of the Ring of Fire? It's an area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean, known for its high concentration of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Picture a massive horseshoe shape, spanning 40,000 kilometers, and associated with a continuous series of oceanic trenches, volcanic arcs, volcanic belts, and plate movements. Now imagine Japan, right there, nestled within this volatile ring. This positioning is a key contributor to the country's high seismic activity. The Ring of Fire is a direct result of plate tectonics and the movements and collisions of lithospheric plates. Now, Japan's location within the Ring of Fire, coupled with the interaction of major tectonic plates, leads to its high frequency of earthquakes. It's a tale of geography, geology, and the unstoppable forces of nature. So, now we understand why Japan experiences so many earthquakes. It's a tale of geography and geology, of tectonic plates and seismic activity. Japan is quite literally caught between a rock and a hard place, or more accurately, between four tectonic plates. The convergence of these massive slabs of Earth's crust results in frequent and often intense shaking. This seismic activity is further intensified by Japan's location within the notorious Ring of Fire. This major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean is associated with a near-continuous series of oceanic trenches, volcanic arcs, volcanic belts, and plate movements. It's a hotbed for earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. But understanding the why behind Japan's seismic activity isn't just an interesting geographical fact, it's a testament to the strength and resilience of the Japanese people. They've learned to live with and adapt to these frequent earth-shaking events. Understanding these geological reasons helps us appreciate the resilience of Japan in the face of such frequent seismic activity.